guys, here we are having a trend to the downside. By the way, we are trading Asian session here. Here we are having a trend to the downside. So we are having the high which caused the break of structure to the downside. So now we are having a retracement here, which is retracing this high. Which what I like about this is that it started by taking liquidity to the top before it moved to the downside, which means it's a protected high, it's a strong high which can't be broken easily. So if we take a trade here, we are much safer, because if a trade can break here, if a price can break this high to the upside, then we are having a completely different thing. We are having market structure shift to the upside. So now, as you can see, the structure was rejected here and then moved to the downside. We are retracing here, and then we are expecting a move to the downside, a move which will break this low here, because it's a weak low, because it failed to break the previous high. So now we're having a weak low, expecting the price to go a little bit lower. 15 minutes. As you can see on the 15 minutes, we are having a head and shoulders pattern, which is a bearish pattern as well as a reversal pattern. So now we are retracing. We are going to the neckline here. We already made a pullback here. We've got liquidity here, as you can see. We've got liquidity here. Now we are about to break this liquidity to the downside. Here it is a range which we are trading, but we are looking for this bottom to be broken, because it's a weak low, because it failed to break the previous structure to the upside. So now if we are here, then you can easily break this low to the downside. Here we might have a retracement to the neckline, and then the continuation to the downside. As soon as we reach this fair value gap here, then I close one position and leave the other, and then I take another position if we're having a retracement to the neckline here, so that we can continue to break the structure to the downside. At this moment, we are taking liquidity there to the downside, because there's liquidity, because we have relative equal lows here, which we see as a liquidity which needs to be taken. This is our 15 minutes fair value gap, which will be my first target, where I will close one of my positions and then leave the other one. As soon as we reach here, I'll be expecting a retracement of the neckline and then a continuation to the downside. We'll expect something like this. Before a continuation to the downside. Now we are approaching this fair value gap on a 15 minutes. Our price will automatically close itself when it reaches here. Yeah, I'll see. Maybe I'll just close them all, because sometimes You have to rest, man. You have to rest. As soon as it reaches the TP, I am done. I'll go to sleep. I'll see when I wake up what it's doing. Then if we are having that retracement which I was talking about, then I'll go in again, maybe during London session if you're having that retracement at that time. But now I think I'm thinking of closing all these positions now, so that I can get a rest. Yeah, rest, comrade, rest. Need to rest. TP loading. We are about to hit our TP. We are about to hit our TP. Let's count the number of 98 minus 78 is 20 pips. 72. Looking at 28 pips in profit here. 26 pips in profit. Not bad, guys. Trading the head and shoulders pattern, and then we'll be having overextended leg, then we'll be retracing that leg to the fair value gap, then we will continue to move down. But now Tiki is about to get hit. Now I'm thinking about closing auto 8 manually, I don't know, or wait for it to close automatically. Man, you cannot just leave things. Let's close this thing. We are done now. Okay, right. Only one position left. Yeah, our TP would have been hit. Yeah, really now. Let me do the honors and close this one also. Our TP's got hit. I get. Let's leave it there, guys. Thanks a lot for your time. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Tango.